Yo. Yes. Overtime. Sana happy. Yes. Overtime. See who portabi uchi truck. What you say? Who portabi no uchi truck into two coin who come border to border. Who name the way I setting out here with Europe. One the can say Europe that form. Sister, Italy way. Who bet me go catch the who fear I say. Hey, who come money was can do time and discover answer. Internet away a dime can almost 6 months. What you say? Who bet me sorry I go be here go did na momo onyamia ya doma ya ba brochire ya be hu de enwure hu de ya hu ni say ebrochire no sabi ebrochire chenga na chenga na sabi ebrochire bi a wo benya adwuma bi akọ na adwuma so ebrochire bi ye na nya government ni na bi ye government na de nhyehyɛ ye na ba ye na nipa ni bi ye te say de Akufo Addo de aba Ghana na what so mpe
individuals na na ebie be omunuma ye pie apabie nie duma wa ha na so taxi ye be ji wono okwati kro ye wo taxi ye be ji wono
sister Italy dey mean Italy ni Germany dey mean Dr. Ren dey na na so ye wo kan ne bone to oh asema na kan ye le boya o kan ye ni say ya wa ye wo fu se to bi wa ye wo fu se to as a kakayen. Nyansa bia ni tiri nyansa bia ni sa akwa ni tiri wajimi yeah, that's it. Fire near. Ejana no esi. Of course, I stop the kakra. Fire there, sister. Your thing was very good. Thank you. My yama will be so chance no do so maybe. Me pacho. Hello. Yes, sir. Me pacho, you are on political zone.
Yeah. Good evening, Prophet.
To me, mwaka krebia. Anka wombe to me ediye. Na nso sika ne mwa omanyanti. Omabra bobo asasa. Ebi bedane dog chain sellers. Ebi bedane meat pie sellers. Ebi bedane pocky sellers. Ebi bedane yogurt sellers. Ebi bedane pa. Ebi bedane kaya ye. Na oshe adwene edo mutrim. Oshe how smart they were. Nanso omanya sa opportunity no anya den ankobi. And then when was it? I think it was Friday. And I'm making some analogy be say, Opa yemfa Mike, na yanko street of Ghana. Na yanko bisa say, me pacho usuku enti ena wantu aso. Obia bekacho say sika over. I'm telling you say over 85% of the people will tell you say because of money issues I wasn't able to complete free education. Enipa bebre bekacho. And then so you see na unim. I couldn't tell that my name Mr. Mahama ya adwene say Ghana for ye ungrateful. Ye ninka ye. Ghana for ye ninka ye. Ena face so Ghana for nankasa no ye nipa bi a ade ye papa no Ghana ni mpa until sa ade ne beko on a girl be wo girl ni treating ye pa on treating ye da they a girl ni be jano no sa da no be so say na sa na ade papa ekutamini on the boy bi wo boy ni ye bibia ma no so mbu ne da afi okofo bu bi na afi ye tietia na ya ase a na afi obi say sa na kofi amete ne ho ne ye chen kwasi ama befa ne yo. And that is how the Ghana man is, because there is something called greed in the blood of the Ghana man who is never satisfied. Because let me tell you something. I know countless people, my uncle fee, beji school fees. Me, I was there. I remember that kraba, all kinds of kuminum, may he so rest in peace. Kaisika, they shank from school because their parents didn't have it. That time, no, Nesika was a big challenge for people not going to school. And that Akufo Addo did free education by and Kono. The same people who were complaining about high school fees. And the school fees never wedding, and the school fees Akolano Krame for international, but the Nebeko and Akolano school fees never. The same people that complain about school fees today, they are telling us, after their children have enjoyed, they are telling us, say, Ghana don't even need free education. Ghana is sad, though. Minya, they are the politics. Your mind, they say, and then they who NDC MPP. They are the politics. Ghana no. Oh, Yehovah. They are the politics. Ghana no. Yo, me de sebe me young commissioner, but the American say yo. I remember. I have friends, okay? I have friends, who needed help to finish school. They did not. They did not because of Sika. Yeah, I have people no minima dear you can't say boy we are being boy we are being and so a bar say ye call SS no went to me okra e could do a be okra ko ye just say so many people, so many lives were not able to progress because of free say not only Sika or debate and education. Solomon Johnson, welcome. Mobile number share. I remember, and I would always use this as a reference. Just a wako school na we kura na ye kotwere exams no. Yes, say one tuawo exams fee into no on exams ni bi ampa the teacher will see through you say you would not write the exams. Ye twenya ye be pam school fees ye twenya ye be twere exams no na ya pam mo asi abonten say mon koji school fees mra. Ye they are not kekepo na e ka cho say koji school fees eno ye different. Ye twe aba near the so near the child appeal go for your school fees. Canada meti